Hi guys, Rahul Nigam here and welcome to my channel Engineers Power. In this video, I am going to tell you how to answer when an interviewer asks you, what have you learned from mistakes on the job? When asked about what you have learned from mistakes, the interviewer does not really want to know about the errors you have made in your personal life or in your previous positions. They want to know that you hold yourself accountable for your actions and can turn mistakes into your growing experiences. The mistake that you mention is not nearly as important when answering this question as it is to emphasize what you learn from it. So you may answer like, for example, I think one of the most important things I have learned is persistence, not to give up too soon because the solution is probably right in front of me. I have learned to give every person a second chance because first impressions can often be misleading. I used to think that there was one best solution to a problem, but I have learned that kind of thinking limits the possibility of great success. This is how you can simply answer this question. Now, please pay attention. There is a link in the description below of an ebook which contains top most asked HR interview questions with their winning answers. Go and grab this ebook. Trust me, it will really help you in all types of HR interviews. Also, write down your answer to this question in the comment section below and learn from others as well. Do like, share and comment, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel to get more valuable content like this. And don't forget to press the bell notification. All the best for your interviews.